and make some cute thin necklace, tiny necklace today. So I'm going to make some rings on this design, and we will make with the different beads, different color, and I will make it in some small size. Yeah, some small size. Okay. Okay, let's go into make the ring and the easy piece necklace bracelet with some chain. Okay, thank you, my friends. So here, let's use some different color of the beads and let's going to make. Here we will go to use the wire 0.8.
Message WAP.
Welcome back, missed you live. Thank you. I'm going to use the two color of the wire. Let's going to make some cute piece ring. Okay, cute piece ring, very easy making today. First, I cut it the piece 25 centimeter, 25 or 30 both okay, but I'm making some small size. So you did a challenge bangle. You successful. You can send me picture, dear Yoni. I see the picture you sent me. So it's so cute. Okay, so let's go into make a simple ring. I see Sabine also made it. Sabine, are you here? I see Sabine posted the video. So we are going to use this 6mm labradorite stone, and I will going to make a small size in size 6. Here, this one. Here. So it's going to fold it here, cross. Okay, then twist. Okay, then move and wrap. Tight. So it's going to be a very simple and cute ring, this one. Easy making. Hello, Ticket. Happy to see you. This here and up, tight, and tight. Yeah. Okay, hi Savia, hello Lucy. Okay, so this one, the piece of this ring is a very small cute ring. Here, labradorite stone. Here, this one, way down, this, and this I'm used this facet beads. Yeah. here. Fold and wrap up. It's a very easy way to making the ring. Here. Thank you. If you are interested in making this kind of the ring, you can learn here. We are a channel that shows you how to making the ring and make the many different design. Here.
Message wap wap wap. Message wap wap wap.
Cut. Can you please follow me? Yes, I will follow you back. Are you do the jewelry business? Here. Thank you. This is a channel shows you how to make the piece. Yeah. Yes. Hi, Rongdia. Happy to see you. Here. Two, and then I will go to make some other piece of the design. Hello, hi, Sabine. Happy to see you.